How to fix Omi TV sound problem. What's up guys, if you have sound problem on Omi TV, I will show you how to fix it right now. Let's do it. Open guys your settings of your phone, click on apps option right now and search here for Omi TV and click. So you will find this list of options. Go directly click on storage, click clear cache, and after this back click at force stop and click OK. Come to Play Store or App Store, update Omi TV. Restart your device right now, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And